Hey guys, it's Ben from Kairos, and today we're looking at 3 top features of the amazing Asus ZenBook Duo laptop. It has dual screens for multitasking, comes with Intel Evo for better performance, and it effortlessly handles demanding programs. I'm going to head over to the lab so we can see what this amazing laptop is capable of. So now that we're in the space, we can look at the unique design. This has a full width, full HD secondary touchscreen that works seamlessly with the main screen. It allows you to open up multiple windows so you can optimize and multitask however you want to. The screen tilts up 7 degrees, that reduces glare and reflections and improves readability. It also gives you a stable and ergonomic platform in order for you to use the pressure level active stylus. There's loads of exciting tech packed into this laptop too, including the Intel Evo platform, which takes premium technologies and delivers a performance that can keep up with your busy work life. Those premium technologies include the Intel Core processor and Wi-Fi 6, which can actually triple your internet speeds. On top of that, there is also a universal USB-C port, which can not only transfer files in an instant, but also charge things at the same time. And this has a wonderful, reliable battery. You can get 17 hours out of just a single charge, which makes it just as productive as possible on the move as it would be from the home or office. And it keeps getting better. This is kitted out with an 11th gen Intel Core i7 processor, which is capable of some serious work. You can run multiple programs, open multiple windows on both screens at the same time, and seamlessly switch between them with no lag and no dip in performance. So if you'd like more info on the Asus ZenBook Duo laptop, then you can visit us in store, online, or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.